అండ్ మా డైరెక్టర్ నాగశ్విన్ గారు.
Hi Andy, hi. Thank you so much for having me. And first, team andarki, actors ki, technicians ki, andarki congratulations in advance. Feels oka special event la undi. Ante almost behind the scenes of court oka cinema diste ela untundo, almost oka full length, like just everybody's story, everybody's passion. Ammo, that was amazing. That was great just to see so much energy kada, like so ante freshness antam gani, like just to see both of them come on stage and dance when you guys were performing, and you can't act out freshness anamata, ado untundi ante. Second cinema cheppalemu, but it's amazing, it's great. And yeah, the whole direction team, it was amazing just to be part of your journey for these couple of hours. And ante it just reminds me of first cinema ki enta special, because I was sitting right next to Jagdish, and our trailer anni light off chesesi trailer chusin tarvata light on chesin ventane I was looking at him, and that feeling like to see the whole crowd clapping, and the first time an audience has seen your work who's not your team or your family kada, so it's very special. 10 years back I was in the same position of a pre-release event Evade Subramanianki, almost exactly 10 years ago. And we were there almost ikkade JRC na actually
ikkade venakale నాకు కూడా ఒక కోట్ వేశారు ఆ రోజు, నేను ఎప్పటికీ మర్చిపోలేను.
yeah correct,
ఇన్సులేషన్ మొత్తం చచ్చిపోతానేమో అనుకున్నాను ఆ రోజు.
JRC వచ్చి 10 years అయింది. వావ్. అండ్ యా అప్పటి నుంచి నేను ఒక 2 సినిమాలు డైరెక్ట్ చేశాను, ఒక సినిమా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేశాను. నాని గారు ఒక I think almost ఒక 20 movies చేశారు. I always used to wonder like how is he so fast, how is he doing so many things, ఎలా చేస్తున్నారని అడిగాను చాలాసార్లు. And I just realized it's not just him, and it's just along with him all of these people right now, so many new directors, all of us on this stage, so many new actors he's giving a chance to. So it's just amazing. It's అది legacy అని ఒక word వాడావు, I don't know, but I think it's an amazing word. And I think I don't know, just finish it off by saying like the very few actors who come with no backing, like and who make movies become great actors or who become great producers, and very few who are both, and Nani is literally one of a kind. And I wish this movie is a massive success. Thank you.
Thank you Andy, thank you.